Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to make a 3D logo effect in the CapCut apps. So you can open the CapCut apps and you can select your logo to edit, and then you can select animation and select combo animation. Okay, you can scroll to the right and just looking for the 3D cube. Right, so this is the cube 4. And we will try it, and then you can adjust for the size. So just click check mark. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.